Here we divide 467 by 2 in a long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting, it is 0. Again we put down this 6 and 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting, it is 0. We put down this 7 and 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting, it is 1. So here this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other numbers to put it down. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting, it is 0. So 467 divided by 2 is 233.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.